When we first entered this house, the entire right side of the roof had collapsed. You know, more than 30% of the pillars were rotten. So I started looking for builders, people to help me work on it, but I was being refused every single time. And they were all saying it'd be easier just to demolish it and also a lot cheaper. So I've worked in sustainability and regenerative strategy for over 20 years, helping brands talk about change. But I realized talking about change isn't enough. Regeneration isn't about replacement, it's about repair. These buildings are historical treasures with generations of craft. If we lose them, we lose this wisdom. This project is much slower than building new. It demands traditional skills. It demands patience. And yes, it requires more resources. This construction is only the beginning. We are not just restoring a house. We want to build a community that's willing to question how we live and practice something different. The mill will be a place to learn, to work with the land, to understand materials, to connect with natural systems. Because regeneration is not a concept. It is something we need to practice and feel. We don't only need stories about change. We need to practice it. Feel the dirt in our fingers. We need places where it becomes real. 一緒にこの古民家を未来へつなぎましょう。